This tool is going to change the way we think and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that we have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the home page as you can see. So this is my account after my sign up. So all I have to do is just click over sign up. So we have here sign up and then you write your email address and your password and you find your account. So this is how it works with Perplexity. So the first thing that we have here is absolutely for free. So Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgraded AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. So we have here standard start for free, no credit card needed, free forever, and we have here continue with free. Unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers. So let's come back here to the home page. So for example, let's ask something. So for example, how to earn money on Perplexity. And then you click over here to get your answer. So the first thing that attracts me is sources. We have here sources that we don't have in ChatGPT and Gemini. So if you click over here, if you want your answer in YouTube, you have YouTube. Also, you have Tolify, YouTube again, and we have business plans, YouTube, Perplexity, and we have Reddit here. So you choose the ones you want, and then you learn or you get your information. So we have to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024, step by step, how to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners, a login to the potential earn money with Perplexity, and we have here 3 ways to make money with Perplexity AI in 2024, 2 steps to passive income with Perplexity AI business plans, and we have here get paid per click with Perplexity AI, and you have here introducing the Perplexity publisher programs, and you have here how does Perplexity make money. I can't find anything about it. So we have here also answer. We have here there are several ways to earn money using Perplexity AI, which functions as an AI-powered research assistant and conversational search engine. And we have the first thing, it's freelancing opportunities such as content creation and profit editing. And we have the second one, it's content monetization like YouTube channel, online courses. Then we have revenue sharing programs, and this is how it works with Perplexity. You can just get started and you earn money with it. Also, we have here videos, as you can see, and images also. And also we have here related, like here what are some real life examples of making money with Perplexity. Then you can just click over it and you get your answers again. If we come back to the home, we have here focus. For example, if you like web, you just click over web and the Perplexity just to give you something it's related to web. Then we have also writing, academic, video, math, social, and this is how it works. Then we have here some things like here how test cooking oils, tax savings ideas, and you have best coffee shops to work from a private market size of the greater economy. So right now on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services through a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing available tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So this is the first way. So I will explain you more. So on Perplexity, you can earn money on Upwork or LinkedIn also by offering experts consulting and advisory service. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have the LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, all you have to do is showcase your consultant expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then I will show you the next step or the next way for so to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content. Develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. Offer these resources to Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for free, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So we have here Udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value, driving previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have here Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and sell educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise, promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable accepts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then I will give you the next way, which is developing and offering tools or apps. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So we have here App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools on apps or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have here product hand. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hand, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your Product Hand launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how you can earn money on Perplexity, and you can just get started by just writing your email address and your password. You don't have to pay anything, you have just to click over it, sign up, and you get started with Perplexity.ea. And I give you just some of this, and you can also search more on Perplexity, of course, or you can search about on YouTube, or you can search on ChatGPT how you can earn money on Perplexity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.